This is a tire shredder running in a real factory. From the rear side, you can see the discharge structure and the heavy-duty design, built for continuous operation and high output. Whole waste tires are transported by the conveyor into the shredder. No pre-cutting needed. The system handles different tire sizes efficiently. Now let us move to the discharge side. Inside, powerful blades are tearing the tires into smaller pieces. Rubber blocks that meet the size requirement pass through the screen. Oversized pieces are automatically sent back for further shredding. Here is the final shredded rubber, uniform size, clean output, ready for further recycling or granulation. This is how waste tires are turned into valuable materials.